Now, y'all, there's this popular challenge on social media, and it's called the Face Voice Challenge. I don't know if you heard of it. And it's where one person makes a face and the other person makes a sound that looks like the face. So the results have people rolling on the floor, cracking up. Take a look.
All right, I make the face, you make the sound. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that was so funny to me. So, of course, my staff had to try it out. Check it out.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a face.
Yes.
You make a sound according to my face.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, on three, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
All right, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Joy, what is that? Patrick, I'm gonna make a face and you're gonna make the sound.
Okay.
Here's the face. You make the sound.
Okay. All right, 3, 2.
One, two, three.
You saw that, sus? That was funny. You were hysterical, sus. Oh my gosh. So y'all had so much fun doing that, and now I feel a little left out, so I want to do it. So is there anybody on my staff who wants to do this with me?
I'll do it.
Oh, Big James.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Come on, let's do
Big
it.
James.
Let's do it.
All right, Big James. Okay, so Big James, first I'm going to do the face,
Okay.
and then you're going to do the voice. So I'm gonna do the face
Okay.
first,
Okay.
so you can see what I do. So Big James, here's my face.
Okay.
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 All right. All right, Big James. Now you know you don't. Okay, you do the voice.
Okay.
I'm gonna count us down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have